Hello everyone, this video is for telling about my live AI course. I plan to start a 4-week live online AI coaching program starting from July 24th. It is my second batch. Right now I am taking AI coaching for my first batch. Once after completing that first batch, I will be starting the second batch on July 24th. In this AI live course, you can learn AI basics, RAG, retrieval augmented generation, and the Agentic AI in 16 live sessions for just 3000 rupees in India and $150 globally. What you will learn from this AI coaching? Actually, I plan to make this AI course useful for both entrepreneurs, business people, and AI developers. I would like to give details about how to effectively use AI for your business growth as well as for your career growth. Okay, that is the main agenda of this kind of AI coaching, and I will be explaining everything about basics of AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, and what is NLP, that kind of basic information, and some tutorials related to Python related to AI development. Okay, and apart from that, I will be explaining about how to effectively use the AI tools for business growth, especially for improving marketing, that kind of information, how to generate content effectively using the AI tools like ChatGPT, Gemini, and how to use those tools effectively by setting up memory and other settings. Okay, so it's basically about using AI tools effectively and also about developing AI tools. Okay, so I plan to do that both things. Okay, and apart from that, I plan to explain about how to create a chatbot with like a lot of other features like recommending the products, that kind of stuff. Okay, mostly I will be giving more importance to RAG, retrieval augmented generation, because that is very much important when we plan to use LLMs in commercial setup, right? So I already uploaded many videos about RAG. If you are interested, you can watch that videos. And in that live coaching, I can interactively explain that. Okay, and apart from that, plan to like give the details as well as demo of how to train a model and how to use it effectively, how to do the fine tuning. Okay, and first of all, how to create data sets effectively, that kind of stuff. Okay, though LLMs are very powerful these days, understanding about individual AI models development and using that models that are still relevant, because in case of LLMs we have to still pay for usage, right? So in that case, in most of the use cases, we can explore about using available AI models. If you go through Hugging Face, you can find more than 1 million AI models, right? So it is better to know about how to effectively use AI models for your use case, right? So in that case, I'll be focusing on that area also. And apart from that, obvious things like prompt engineering, CA, product building, that kind of stuff. Okay. So prompt engineering, it's a very, very powerful one. It is useful for everyone, not only for just for using ChatGPT, Gemini, that kind of stuff. Even in case of AI application developments, mostly we have to effectively create the system prompts, and so basically the prompt engineering plays important role in AI development as well. Okay, and I will be giving some overview about effectively using AI tools like Google Notebook, LM, that kind of things. Okay, and give some overview about data analytics and data science basics also. And recently, everyone is talking about AI agents, agentic AI, vibe coding, MCP, and that kind of developments, right? So I'll be explaining those things also. Okay, so basically this course will be focusing more on teaching the fundamentals of AI. Okay, how it's different from like traditional programming, and the basic concepts like machine learning, deep learning, NLP, that kind of information, and its relation with the data science. Okay, so that kind of fundamental things, as well as how to effectively use the trending AI tools, vibe coding tools, that kind of information. Just overview, like low code, no code kind of AI agent creation frameworks also there, right? Like NIT and Python libraries like LangChain, LangGraph, that kind of latest things. I'll be explaining those things, and most importantly, I'll be giving more importance to RAG, retrieval augmented generation, because personally I believe that that is very important for commercializing LLMs. Okay, though the recent LLMs are coming with a huge context window, more than 1 million tokens, still I believe RAG is relevant these days. So I'll be actually, I did a lot of research related to RAG by combining various approaches to make knowledge retrieval as well as generation more effective. Okay, and for understanding that RAG process, we need to know how the vector databases, the things are working, embeddings. That mostly I will be giving some overview about that things also. As I said, I am planning to give more importance to basics as well as the latest things, and useful for both entrepreneurs as well as AI developers. Okay, so I am approaching this AI course in that way only. So as I explained in this previous slide, it will be useful for business owners, marketers, and solopreneurs. So basically, entrepreneurs, any kind of entrepreneurs can get benefits from this AI course, and as well, it will be useful for developers and tech enthusiasts also. Okay, let me explain the program details. The duration is 4 weeks. Okay, and every week there will be 4 sessions. Okay, Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. That is weekdays except Wednesday. Therefore, totally it will be coming around 16 sessions. Okay, it will be done through Google Meet, and it will be in English. And right now I just set the fees as 3,000 rupees only, but it is limited time offer. I may increase it later. Okay, and globally it is $150. Apart from this 4-week live coaching, you will be getting free access to my recorded course. Okay, that recorded course right now has more than 5.5 hours of tutorial videos and 8 AI related ebooks, many infographics, a lot of sample codings. Okay, and this second batch is starting from 24th July. Okay, and the timing is 7:30 p.m. IST. It will be 2 p.m. GMT and 10 a.m. Eastern time. Okay, I believe this timing is suitable for people across the world, right? So I selected this timing. Suppose if this timing is not suitable, just let me know. We can discuss about starting any kind of new batch with different timings, or if many people are preferring that timings, means I can start a new batch with that timing. Otherwise, we can explore about one-on-one coaching. Okay, so at the end of the coaching, you will be getting a certificate that can be shared online. You can include it in your profile, resume, okay, everywhere. So at the end of the coaching, you will be getting real world AI skills. Okay, as I said, I plan to explain everything by coding samples. Okay, so if you are sincerely following that sessions, you will be able to create your own chatbot with whatever features you require, and you can do the automation workflow, able to generate AI agents. Okay, with a lot of features. And if you are looking for a job, it can be useful for showcasing as projects, right? That means within that time period, if you are trying to do any kind of projects, I can guide you to do it effectively. Okay, and obviously, as I said, I will be giving some overview about low code, that kind of things, but I prefer to focus more on actual coding. Okay, that will be more useful. That is what my personal understanding. But It's okay for you if you are a business person. If you want to create some kind of POC stuff quickly, then that case you can go with that. Okay, so you will be getting confidence about creating AI applications as well as using the AI for your business growth. Okay, that is the purpose of this AI coaching. Okay, so if you are interested to use this opportunity, you can register now. Registration has started. People in India can register by making a 3,000 rupees fee payment to my UPI ID. You can find the details in the link provided in the description. Okay, and globally, people can register by making $150 fee payment using PayPal link. As I said, this amount is a limited time offer only. Okay, if you are interested to make use of this discounted price, you have to register soon. Okay, because I believe if more people are joining means it may not be that much interactive. Okay, in that case, if like registration is crossing certain limitation, I'll be increasing the fees. Okay, to discourage the registrations. Okay, but in case of my first batch, I got few registrations only, so I just followed the pricing. But second batch, since I started the promotion 1 month before itself, I expect this batch will be getting more registrations. So in that case, if you want to make use of this discounted fee opportunity, just register as soon as possible. Okay, otherwise, if that registration is crossing certain limitation, I'll be increasing the price. Okay, I'm offering this discount offer also. Again, it is for very limited time only, and that details you can find in the blog post I linked in the description. Okay, because as I said, it's a dynamic one. So yes, so if that discount offer is available in that blog post, you can make use of that. Okay, and affiliate offer. Okay, for offering this AI course to your friends, you can get 50% affiliate commission. I use Gumroad for managing affiliate payments. Okay, if you are interested, just contact me. I will explain the details. Okay, it's a good opportunity to earn money quickly because rarely I do this kind of live coaching, right? Otherwise, I normally promote my recorded course. Okay, it is my second batch of live coaching. Okay, so it's a good opportunity. I don't know whether I will be starting another batch. That recorded course itself having around 6 hours of total videos, 8 related ebooks, and I keep on updating that recorded course with more content. Okay, so I believe mostly I'll be focusing more on that recorded course. So if you want to get live coaching, it is good opportunity, and as an affiliate, you can make use of this for earning money. Okay, it's a rare opportunity because in case of recorded course, that is like $8, that kind of amount only, right? Here it's $150. 50% means you will be getting around $75 after lessing Gumroad fees. Okay, it's a good amount, and a lot of people will be interested in joining this. Okay, so just you can make use of this opportunities. If you have any questions, you can contact me. Okay, and I plan to allow only few affiliates. Okay, so you have to explain me about how you will be getting affiliates, because I don't want to spread any negative things. Like I heard that some people will be doing it aggressively, like saying that joining this course will get you job, like that. Okay, I'm not going to provide any job assistance, other things. Okay, my target is teaching fundamentals of AI and explaining about how to create AI applications, how to effectively use the AI tools for business growth as well as for career growth, right? That is what my aim. Okay, but anyway, if some people are approaching me to provide some good candidates from my course, I will be happy to share the candidate details with the companies. Okay, that I will be doing. Just for example, I'm telling. So if someone is aggressively doing this kind of affiliate promotion, I won't be encouraging them. I won't be, mostly I will be removing from affiliate program. Okay, so in that case, you should be having certain plan, like you should be having your social media, or you should be having your plan for sharing the details with your friends by explaining the course details. Okay, so in that case, if you explain your plan and if it is satisfied, I'll be allowing you as an affiliate. Okay, and if the timing is not suitable for you, you can consider one-on-one coaching also. I do it for affordable hourly charges. In the blog post, you will be seeing the charge details, because based on my timing, availability of timing, I'll be changing it. Okay, apart from one-on-one coaching, I can do AI consultancy and AI development also. If you want me to develop any kind of AI application, I can do it. Okay, thanks. Bye.